Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 25th of March, 2019.
Hi, everybody.
Some good tea, good tea. All righty, it's been 2 years since we've been doing this. You believe it?
2 years, 100 episodes was last time. This is 101.
Yeah, 101, 101. Gosh, pretty good.
Almost our age.
Yeah.
Put us together, it would be, actually.
Alrighty, guys, let's get started and talk about this week in the shop and projects completed. Busy week in the shop.
Yes, it was. Very busy.
Shop. Not as busy as last week with the peach build and everything, but still pretty busy. Loretta did some really neat resin pours. Now, these are little pieces of jewelry that you're making. Really neat. We may get some pictures of them for next video, but it was stormy and kind of rainy out there, so we hurried up and got over here in the shop before we lost power. And then, of course, everything kind of stopped. But anyhow, we'll try to get some pictures for that later. Mama also did a bumblebee, or bee, right? Yes, a bumblebee. Now, this came from Daniel and Kimmy's yard cleanup, and we took and cleaned it up. And I'm going to try to get it up here so you can see maybe some of the
glitter and glam.
But pretty nice, really nice. I wish we'd have got some pictures beforehand on that.
I know.
But Mama finished up on that. Michael was here and for the weekend and come in on Friday night, right? Friday night.
No.
Yeah, Friday night.
Yeah, it was Friday night.
Spent, Friday, Saturday, most day, Sunday, and he made 3 pins. Really nice pins. I got a picture of the Phoenix Rising pin kit that he did for himself. That was
like that orange one, wasn't it? That was gorgeous.
Yeah, I'm going to put a picture in here. Hopefully in here. I'm having a little trouble with that with the new editing program, but we'll try to get that in for you. But it was really nice. We cleaned off the peach platform, build platform, aka the trailer. We got all that cleaned up since we were done with the peach. And then Daniel took the trailer and did some cleanup around his house and bought us a whole trailer full of fencing slats, fencing, I guess you call them panels, kind of dog-eared up on the corner. That looks really nice. Red, tell us, what are you going to do with those panels?
I am going to make some signs out of them. Cut, even cut the dog ears on both sides and make little signs. You can actually just leave it like a fence post. Put a bunny rabbit in front of it for Easter.
Yeah, that's really nice, and it's already done deal. It's already really put together.
And they clean up real nice with you pressure washing.
We pressure washed it. Used Daniel's pressure washer to clean Daniel's fence, and actually come up with a pretty nice looking little project. Not even intending to. It just kind of happened. I was out there cleaning the mats for my truck and kind of hit the fence, and I said, "Whoa, that cleaned that up," and worked pretty well because I had the mats up on the trailer. But really nice. Thank you, Daniel and Kimmy. We really appreciate that. Let's see, Daniel did a little bit of welding. Did a little bit of welding this weekend. He was making a project for him to hold some of his work stuff and got out here, and him and Michael piddled around with the welder and got a little project knocked out. And then we built the actual structure for the tree we're building. Now the tree we're building, if you remember, is for James and the Giant Peach and Alice in Wonderland. It's going to be 5-foot tall trunk with 5-foot tall limbs. I think it's going to look pretty good.
I think it's going to be cool.
The structure is pretty stable. We got to finish it up today, but we did a lot of work on that and went together really quickly.
It did, easily.
Some of the stuff we kind of built on the fly there. All righty, guys, let's move on. Oh man, that's good. Before I move on any further, that tea is really good tonight.
Yes, it is. Very good.
Give it a shot if you haven't. All right, we are still planning on heading to Sharon Shenanigans in Sharon, Georgia, 27th of April, 2019, our first show of the year. I'm looking forward to it. We still haven't heard back from them yet. We're still looking forward to get there. It's really right around the corner from the house, not too terrible far, so we'll be able to take some stuff up there. We got a lot of neat stuff already, including the bumblebee there. So we got a lot of stuff to take up there. Maybe Michael will get back there. We can take a couple more pins. I think we have like 10 or 12 pins that he did before. We're going to finish this tree build. Matter of fact, once we're done with the video, I download it and edit it and get it all done. We're going to finish up on the structure of the tree over here behind Mama and get this tree for James and the Giant Peach and Alice in Wonderland, where I actually get the structure of the trunk together. What we've got left to do is put on the Ys, the PVC Ys that's going to come out the top, and you'll see pictures of this later. That's where the branches will attach, and we got to put the chicken wire on, and then we got to put the 5-minute epoxy in there and firm this thing up, and then that'll be it for this evening. And tomorrow we'll put the styrofoam on it and start spray foaming
it, and
we should be able to get that squared away. I'm looking to have it done by tomorrow night, so you can start working and doing your
Wednesday.
magic on Wednesday, your half day.
My magic.
Yep. And we got to make a prop bed. Now that's going to be my deal there. I'm going to make a quick prop bed. I think we decided it's going to be 32 inches by about 4 foot with the 6 foot tall headboard behind it. That's kind of hollowed out, I guess you'd call it, in the center, so they can put a sheet or something over it, and they're going to do a shadow puppet show behind there. So I got to finish that up, but that'll be my build on there. Then we need to get together a materials list for Daniel and Kimmy's shed. I'll work on that probably this weekend and get that done. And we want to go ahead and get started on that. Let's move on, guys. I might have some more of that tea. All right. Well, that's about it for this evening. Do you have anything, Reb?
Daniel, if you're in the mood and you got nothing else to do, you can come out. You did a really great job on your welding, and we've got some extra welding rods. We've got plenty of metal all over this place if you want to do some practicing, so that would be awesome.
So yeah, if you want to come out and practice, yeah, come on out maybe next weekend, and we'll see if we can't get you out here welding and practicing. I heard you tell Michael you need a little more practice, so we can fix you up on that.
And Michael, if you're watching, you can come home anytime and make as many of these pins as you want, because they're really, really pretty.
Those are nice.
Very, very pretty pins. And Jay, we need you to start coming over so we can get started on some of these builds for the wedding.
Yeah, we need to get that
We need
started.
to, especially that bar. It's going to take us a while to get that bar done, and we're down to how many months?
Yeah, it's going to
And
come
once
up
that
quickly.
baby gets here,
You're not going to have time.
you're not going to have any time.
Let's see if we can't get over here in the next couple weekends and get that bar at least set up, get it in the kiln. We need help moving that big old slab of wood.
Mama can't do it.
Yeah, let's get that in the kiln and let it dry for a little bit. Get it back here in the shop and let it sit here and kind of acclimate. And we'll go ahead and maybe start working on the base. But let us know about that. Well, I really think that is about it for this evening.
Yep.
All right. As always, guys, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 25th of March. I forgot where it's going.
So,
Oh, I don't know what day it is.
Oh my gosh. Holy cow.
you just kind of stuttered on that one.
Yeah.